बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, मैं सईद इजाज़ गिलानी उर्दू कनाडा के प्लेटफॉर्म से हाज़िर हैं एक नई बातचीत और एक नई वीडियो के साथ। स्पेशली आज हम आपके लिए एक कनेडियन खिलाड़ी हैं जो फ्रिस्बी के खिलाड़ी हैं। पार्क्स में ये आजकल विंटर से पहले टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज़ हो रहा है, तो आप में से बहुत सारे लोग जानते होंगे जिस तरह इसको टूर्नामेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज़ करने के लिए और इसमें कितने पार्टिसिपेंट होंगे, क्या इसका तरीक़ाकार है और इसकी प्रैक्टिस कैसे होती है। तो आज हमने कोशिश की है कि आपके लिए यहाँ के पार्क में जो फेस्टिवल या स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं उससे आपको रोशनास करवाया जाए और लोगों से मिलवाया जाए। ये इंटरव्यू इंग्लिश में है, तो उम्मीद है आपको भी मज़ा आएगा और बातचीत के लिए आज चलते हैं। Yeah, but there is behind the tree, like.
Yeah, there are trees.
But yeah, it's a tricky. Hopefully, good luck. Go ahead. It's a Frisbee here. Oh. Oh no, little low, yeah. Yeah, another shot with the red.
Yeah, I'm just practicing.
Yeah, it's a good one. So 170 people, and you are among of those.
Yeah.
You will be the part of the big team. There we go. Yeah, good shot. Now you are closer.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's the route.
That was a better.
Yeah.
Better shot close, but I don't even have to.
Mm-hmm. This guy is trying to get practice for the coming Frisbee tournament here, and he was telling that 170 people gonna be participating. So the problem is the mosquitoes are biting, and he's just around the target because those baskets are made to throw the Frisbees in that if you want to win. You playing Frisbee? How long is your hobby? Are you professional player or
Amateur.
amateur?
Yeah, there's not very many professionals in the city.
Okay.
At this point, there's a couple people that might consider themselves professional.
Mm-hmm.
I'm what they would call an intermediate player. Like
Okay.
I play with people who have some competition and can throw about as far as I can.
Yeah, you were talking about there was no entry fee for this tournament, but those stuff is expensive.
There's an entry fee for the tournament, but there's not an entry fee to come here and just play or just play with your friends
practice.
or whatever.
Okay.
So the course itself is free. The tournament costs money, but there's prizes you get plus a T-shirt. You get all kinds of extra.
So how
goodies.
much cost is for the fun one Frisbee? Approximately.
You can start to get 3 Frisbees around $35.
Oh.
And on average, you'll spend between $15 and $30, depending on like how expensive the plastic is. But yeah, you can start for just
So
$30.
you are from Winnipeg?
I live in Winnipeg, but I
you're
grew
not-
up other places.
In Manitoba or somewhere?
No, I grew up in Minneapolis, University in Milwaukee.
Okay.
Like I've been multiple places, but I'm in Winnipeg.
I'm
now.
missing your name.
My name is Ben.
Ben.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck, Ben,
Yeah.
for your tournament.
Yeah, if you
And-
look online, it's called the Fall Classic.
Okay.
And you can see how I do. I tend to struggle on this course because all the
Okay.
baskets are on a hill.